If you suffer from tinnitus, you know how distracting, tiring, and frustrating it can be to live with this symptom. But did you know that wearing a hearing aid can help alleviate the effects of your tinnitus? Signia hearing aids are tiny technological marvels. They not only amplify sounds and improve hearing, they also offer 3 different strategies with Signia tinnitus therapy. While soft and gentle static noise signals take away the annoyance of tinnitus by overlaying it, the ocean wave signals even replicate the relaxing feeling of being on a beach. Furthermore, Signia hearing aids are the only ones with notch therapy for tonal tinnitus, which even has the potential to eliminate tinnitus completely by treating it inaudibly. Signia tinnitus therapy is available in all our hearing aids, which makes it easy to choose the best one for your personal needs. So you can relax and concentrate on what you really want to hear. Signia tinnitus therapy. Unique therapies for lasting relief.